If you want to create a realistic 3D tilt effect in your image, Photopea's Perspective Warp is one of the fastest tools to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Photopea Perspective tool to quickly angle an object toward or away from the camera using a simple symmetrical 3D transformation. This is perfect for mockups, product images, posters, website graphics, and any design where you want depth and perspective without complicated editing. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure you can see the Layers panel on the right. The very first step is to select the layer you want to transform. Click on the correct layer in the Layers panel so Photopea knows exactly which image or object you want to change. This is important because if you have multiple layers in your document, you want to make sure you're editing the right one before applying any transform. Once your layer is selected, go up to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Transform, and then click Perspective. As soon as you do that, Photopea will place a bounding box around your layer with handles on the corners. This is the tool you need for creating that realistic angled look. Now comes the key part. Click and drag one of the corner handles on the bounding box. As you move one corner, Photopea automatically adjusts the opposite corner in the opposite direction. That's what makes this a symmetrical 3D perspective effect. If you drag the top corner inward, the bottom will shift in response. If you drag outward, you'll stretch the layer to create a more dramatic perspective shift. This is what makes the object look like it's leaning forward, receding into the distance, or being viewed from a different angle. Take your time here and adjust the corners until the perspective looks natural for your design. A small movement can make a big difference, so make subtle changes first and then fine-tune them. If you're working on a mock-up, for example, you might want the top edge to appear narrower, so the object looks like it's standing upright and angled toward the viewer. If you're creating a flat lay or screen effect, you may want a stronger tilt to match the scene. As you adjust the shape, pay attention to the overall proportions so your image still looks believable. Perspective works best when the distortion matches the real-world angle you want to simulate. If it starts to look too stretched or unnatural, just click and drag again until it feels right. You can always keep experimenting until the effect matches your vision. When you're happy with the result, confirm the change by pressing Return on a Mac or Enter on Windows. You can also click the check mark in the top bar to apply the transformation. Once you confirm it, your perspective adjustment is locked in and your layer will keep the new 3D angle. And that's it. You've now used the Photopea Perspective tool to create a clean, symmetrical 3D angle effect in just a few steps. This is a simple but powerful technique that can instantly make your designs look more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.